If you've been curious about ways to make your home or office more energy efficient, this Stopwatt SmartPlug Device 4-pack offers a simple, plug-and-play solution that aims to reduce wasted electricity and stabilize your power supply. These compact plug-in units are designed to optimize electrical flow, balance voltage and current, and help smooth out spikes and fluctuations in your system, all without complicated installation. Just plug a unit into any standard outlet and let it run. It works 24/7 with almost no extra energy consumption. The idea is that by improving the electrical efficiency feeding your appliances, you may see a reduction in overall power use and smoother operation of heavy draw devices like refrigerators, air conditioners, washing machines, and TVs. Built with safety in mind, Stopwatt units include surge protection features and flame-resistant materials, giving you peace of mind when left plugged in around the clock. There's no setup required, no apps to configure, and no settings to adjust. Just plug it in, and it begins operating immediately. While results can vary depending on your home's wiring, appliances, and actual power usage patterns, many people find that these devices help smooth electrical flow and support more stable performance over time. If you want a simple, low-effort way to potentially improve energy use and protect your electronics, this 4-pack of Stopwatt SmartPlugs is a convenient choice for homes, offices, RVs, or workshops. Click the link below for the best price.